Hello student, how are you? Once again I am with you. Today we will discuss about class 12 biology chapter 5 part 3rd. And in this video we will discuss about the Mendel law. Mendel third law of independent assortment. These are the Mendel third law of independent assortment. We discussed in previous video about the law of inheritance and law of segregation. In this video mainly we discuss about the law of independent assortment. What is the independent assortment? The law states that when two pair of traits are combined in a hybrid cross, means in a hybrid cross two pair of traits combine, segregation of one pair of character is independent. Segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the pair of characters. One means one pair of characters is independent. These are independence of the pair of characters. This law is the independent assortments. Once again, the law states that when two pair of traits are combined, in a hybrid class, segregation means separation. Segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the pair of characters. Is independent of pair of character. This is the law of independent assortment, and this is the also third law of the Mendel. So we take, this is the dihybrid class. Dihybrid class. We take two pair of traits. First, round yellow and wrinkle cream. Round yellow denoted by capital R, capital Y, capital N, and wrinkle green denoted by small I, small r, small y, and small y. We make gametes. R and Y. R Y and capital R Y. And also in this make small r, small y, small y. R Y and R Y. So we found here R capital Y, R capital Y, R capital Y, R capital Y. And in this R, small y, small r, small y, small r, small y, and small r, small y. And we take two characters here. RY and RY. Cross between them and this RY and RY. This is the F1 generation. F1. This is the F1 generation. R capital Y and R small y. R capital Y, R small y. R capital Y, R small y. R capital Y, R small y. These are also written as R Y Y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. R Y Y. And R Y and Y. These are plants where yellow, round, yellow. All plants were round and yellow. Again, Mendel mixed gametes in it. These are gametes. Gametes. Small r, capital R, small r, and also capital Y, small y. Capital R, capital Y, small r, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, small y. We found the male gametes and also make one other male gametes. R, Y and Y. Capital R, Y, small capital R, small y, and small r, small y. This is the male gametes. Male, female gametes. You can see here round yellow in F1 generation. We found here R and R. You can see here this is R and R. When cross between gametes, we found male gametes here. Okay, this RY. Okay, and selfing, and again selfing between male gametes and female gametes. Selfing. Selfing between male gamete and female gamete. This is the male gametes. Make a chart. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This gametes RY and RY, R capital Y, and third capital R, small y, and RY. Male gametes, and just like RY, capital RY, and small r. This is the R and YY, and this is the capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y, and this is the capital R, and capital Y, small y, and this is the capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, and this is the capital R small, capital Y small y, and capital small r, capital Y small y, and here capital R small y, and capital Y, sorry, this is the and again small r, small y, small y. These are the capital Y. This is the capital Y. So capital R small r, capital Y, and small r, capital Y, capital Y, capital R small r, capital Y small y, capital R small r, capital Y small y. This is the capital R, capital Y small y, capital R, capital Y small y, capital R, small y, and capital R small y, and capital R small capital Y small y, and this is the small r, capital Y small y, capital R small y, and capital small r, small y. This is the ratio ry, you can see here RR, YY, ठीक है, and again RR, and RR, and इधर this RR, and again capital RR, and small RR, capital R small, capital Y small y, capital R small y, and capital R small y, and again capital R small r, and capital Y small y, and there are small r, capital Y small y, and capital R small r, y, and y, small r, and small y, and small y. This ratio 9 round yellow, and 3 round green, and wrinkle yellow 3 and wrinkle green 1. So this is the 9:3:1. So this is the law of independent assortment and Mendel third law also. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.